first and foremost step is planning.
One thing which is important, that you need to understand your customer 360 degree. You need to profile your customer 360 degree and never go only to one person in a customer place. It's very important to target multiple personas in a customer. That's very important.
Deals, it's usually sales will have, everything can't be cracked or something. If it is deal was not cracked I can learn from it, and I will I will get the learnings from it, and I will retarget it, and I will get it done.
I think you could have heard a lot of people say commercials, pricing, solution, technology, but I would say that it is all about understanding the customer.
It's an experience, it's a learning. I mean, you should dig deep into the understanding of the customer, why they are not turning out to my product or my services.